This is my Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and yeah, it's been in my freezer for quite some time, and you can see, yeah, it's 18 Celsius on the phone, but the freezer inside, I can tell you, it's minus 30. So, why I'm doing this video? Oh, the phone is, by the way, very cold. Last time I did this with the Xiaomi 17 Pro. I was testing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 and I got some very nice results. So what I'm gonna do today is do the same with my Xiaomi 17 Ultra. This was the ever first Wildlife Extreme stress test that I got, and you can see the stability rating wasn't that bad. Right now I'm gonna put the phone in the freezer and start the test again. But wait a minute, how am I going to record it? Well, let me show you. Well, this is my Pixel 10 Pro recording 4K 30 FPS with flash, so it's gonna be interesting to see if the Pixel is gonna survive as well. And without any further ado, I'm gonna close the door to this freezer. I just want to measure one more time. There is no joke, guys. The temperature is extremely cold. And right now when I measure my Xiaomi, yeah, 17 Celsius. Okay, let's close the door and see what is gonna happen. And I'm gonna get a better stability rating, or, well, we have to see. Let's do this. Very small opening to see if everything is correct. Yeah, and I think the phone is already at around number 15. I'm gonna try to measure some temps on the wow, 30 Celsius. And what about my Pixel? 22 Celsius. You can see that the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is doing some heavy lifting here. Yeah, let's see what is gonna happen. 5 more rounds to go. What the hell happened? All right, it seems that oh my god. All right, let's take it to my desk and let's see what happened. All right, here I'm at my desk, back from the freezer. Just let me show you, this is the stand that was inside. Yeah, 15 Celsius. And this was the Pixel phone, by the way. Pixel phone at 25. And this is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, fresh from the freezer, you know, still at 29. And now it's time to explore the results. The best loop score, almost 7,000, 6,991. The lowest loop score, 5,100. And the stability rating, 73%. Now you might think, what the heck is going on here? Because, you know, when I did it outside, I actually got a better stability rating. Let me explain. It is just the way it's calculated. So you practically take the highest loop score and then the lowest loop score, right? And the smaller this gap is, the higher the stability rating is. And this is very funny. I, by the way, use also like the performance mode, because when I put this thing in the freezer, it scored a very high or higher loop score, best loop score compared to when it was outside. You can see 7,000 versus 6,000. Yeah, it's still something. And also the lowest loop score was higher, but then also the gap wasn't that small, I think. Anyway, still 73% is quite nice. And what you can see here is like the gradual drop. All right, when you do this outside with just air, without any kind of cooling, this is what you get. This is the performance range in my first test outside, where we compare the frame rates from the best and the worst loops, and you can see how it goes. And the phone's battery dropping like 10% from 39% to 29%, and the temperature increases from 37 Celsius to 51 Celsius. The frame rates 19, the lowest one, FPS to 43. But what happens right now is we do the same and we have some different performance graphics, and the battery from 70% to 54, but you can see the temperature way down from 20% to 40%, and the frame rate still a bit better. And if I go on this chart here and I put also the temperature, you can see this thing here right now is the battery life, this is the temperature, and this is the frame rates, which ain't that bad. And this is what I got on the air. You can see here, this is the temperature going from 37 to 51, and this is the battery life. All right, only 10%, and this is kind of like the frame rate. So honestly, not that bad. I mean, if you really live in a very cold place like probably Yakutia or Yakutsk, then you might use this phone outside and it's going to behave very good, although at -50, yeah, all right, I don't think it's gonna be actually quite usable. Anyway, I wanted to do this test. Now I want to check my lens here for fogging. Hopefully nothing really bad is gonna happen to my 17 Ultra. And also a huge respect to the Pixel 10 Pro. By the way, the Pixel is still cold. It's weird. The Pixel is still cold, coming from the freezer at 25 Celsius. And this metal frame, guys, this metal frame where the phone was put on is 21 Celsius. I can tell you, this metal frame, I used to put the phone even 18 Celsius. This also served as some additional aux cooling. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and you might as well want to check the same test but with the Xiaomi 17 Pro. Stay safe, VST over and bye.